What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have a Tesla accessory, and this time it comes for the Model Y. This is from Ultrafold. It is their MagShade. Yes, you heard me right. MagShade roof sunshade for the Tesla Model Y. Without further ado, this is the packaging you're going to get. And you're going to get the instructions on the back of this packaging, which looks relatively simple and very good to use. So without further ado, let's see what we get inside. All right, inside you're going to get this nice Ultrafold pouch for the sunshades that easily fold in. You can see they're the cover of the roof liner of your Model Y. Let's go ahead and open this up, and you're going to get all the hardware needed for you to make the installation easily and simple. This is your pry tool here, and you're going to get the clips. Now these clips are magnetic, so what they're going to do is the roof shade is going to attach to it magnetic, so when it's going to make it easy for you to install and remove. So you know that summer is around the corner. It's going to start getting hot, and if you want to eliminate how hot your cabin is, especially during the summer days, especially if you live in a hot area, this is most definitely going to help with that. I've used a different product. I used a different sunshade before and they work, but this is relatively new to me. This is their new MagSafe. I'm super excited about this because this is going to work magnetically. It's going to be super simple to install and remove. So without further ado, let's go to the Model Y and get this bad boy installed. So here you have the roof shades, and they fold nicely like that, and they're easy to fold too. But let's go ahead and install these clips on the roof line of the Tesla right there and get this party started. Alright, I'm done installing, and the clips here are super simple to install. There's no issues with installing these. They just go on there real quick. Make sure this magnet portion is facing down so it can attract the sunshade there and hold it in place. I just put one right there on the side and one down there in the middle. It should be relatively simple to install. So there you have it. This gap kind of goes away, but very simple. Maybe where should that go? There we go. Make sure that the magnets are touching this. Looks very good, actually. Feels very good, as you can see. You are going to get a little gappage here, but there is clips that you can get that go in between that holds it in place like that. Very simple to do. But look, it looks absolutely fantastic. Look at that. And there you have it. It absolutely looks fantastic. It's going to help with keeping heat out of the cabin during the summer. Absolutely looks good, and it's super easy to take off. Some of them you have to get them off. This is if you want to enjoy the beautiful weather outside, just pull it off, bam, off the magnet, and this thing folds relatively simple. Let me get out of here. So there you have it, guys. That is the Ultrafold MagShade for your Tesla Model Y. If you have any questions regarding this product, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.